Kitchen utensils and techniques for cooking for people with kidney disease. Cooking for someone with kidney disease goes beyond just following a recipe. It's about understanding the intricacies of their dietary needs and ensuring that every meal is both safe and nutritious. Kidney disease often comes with a list of dietary restrictions, making the cooking process a bit more complex. However, with the right kitchen utensils and techniques, this challenge can be transformed into a rewarding culinary journey. Number 1, understanding dietary restrictions. Before diving into the tools and techniques, it's crucial to grasp the dietary needs of someone with kidney disease. This often means limiting sodium, potassium, phosphorus, and protein, although potentially fluid intake as well might need monitoring. With this knowledge, you can then tailor your cooking methods and utensil choices accordingly. Number 2, slow cookers. These are a boon for those cooking for kidney patients. Slow cooking allows for the flavors to meld without the need for excessive salts or seasonings. It also lets your seasonings really grow in that meal. It's also a great way to tenderize lean cuts of meat, which might be recommended for the low protein diet. And the slow, steady heat ensures that nutrients are preserved and the food is cooked evenly. Number 3, pressure cookers. Much like slow cookers, pressure cookers can help in reducing the cooking time and preserving essential nutrients. They're especially useful for cooking beans and legumes, which might be used as protein substitutes in a plant-based diet. When using a pressure cooker, it's essential to ensure that the food is cooked thoroughly and use caution with releasing the pressure. Number 4, steamers. Steaming is a gentle cooking method that retains most of the food's nutrients. It's an excellent technique for vegetables, ensuring they remain crisp, colorful, and nutritious. Steaming also eliminates the need for oils or fats, making it a much healthier option. Number 5, water quality. Be concerned about this for people with kidney disease because they might be sensitive to certain minerals found in tap water. Consider using a water purifier or filter when cooking. This ensures that the water used in cooking is free from potential contaminants or excess minerals. Number 6, measuring tools. Precision is key when cooking for someone with dietary restrictions. Use measuring cups, spoons, and scales to ensure that you're using the right amounts of ingredients, especially salt or high potassium foods. Okay, now I have to do a part 2 for this one, and I will get that put together and talk to you about it next.